Hi guys, today it is the summertime and it is very hot. It is almost 30 degrees Celsius and it is a very high, cool, very nice summertime. And for this summertime I have something very special for you guys. This is the new Radiomaster Mini. It is a very cool transmitter that you can bring in everywhere. Particular point is that this transmitter is very small, so basically it has not been designed to work 24 hours a day. You can use these transmitters for 24 hours a day with no problem, of course, but if you have a professional broadcasting like a radio station and you need to broadcast with a very sure capability, of course the Radiomaster LE series is the best choice. So as you can see guys, here there is the connector when you can connect the audio, the I2S and the RX-TX connection. So it's very easy. You have to make sure to use a sort of cable like this. Do not solder on the pin because otherwise you risk to make some shit and this is not very elegant. So use this kind of cable, you know guys, you can find it very easily on eBay. And here is my USB to serial adapter. As you have noticed guys, sometimes the USB to serial adapter is perturbed by the RF field. For example, if you have your antenna near and the transmitter near the place and there is a lot of power, 350 watt, and your USB to serial can send you some weird stuff. So what I do here is that I solder some 1 nanofarad capacitor from ground to each pin. The essential pin you will use is the RX, TX and GND. The otherwise doesn't matter, but I do it on everything to make things clear. Okay guys, so now as you can see here, there is the pin connection, and what we're gonna do first is that we're gonna to connect the I2S connection using, for example, this board, and this is the I2S to USB to I2S board. And so here you have 3 wires of data and 1 wires of ground. So the ground pin can be connected to the number 6, and here you have the 3 wires of the data. Okay, so as you can see, you can just connect, and here the 2 pins here are the audio. The pin 7, you must be very careful because the pin 7 is an 12 volt output probe to supply, for example, an LCD display. So make sure you don't make shortcut because you can break the transmitters or you can kill the other I/O input, so be careful. So here, as you can see, there is a compartment. As you can see, this is for I2S. The 4 and 5 are for the audio input, left and right. The 6 is for the ground. So if you want to use the left and right audio input, you just have to use the ground and the pin number 4 and 5. If you use the LCD display, you can use the ground here. This is another ground. This is the RX-TX. So if you use the LCD display, you have to use this, and this. So the 4 pin here. If you just use the USB to serial TTL, for example, this kind of stuff, as you can see, you can easily find available on eBay. I will put the link below. There is 5 wires. This is a 5-volt output, so you don't need it. You just need the ground and the RX-TX. Okay, guys? So to do that, for example, you will connect the ground to the pin number 8, like this, and then connect. Normally it's this side. I don't remember. Maybe the green are on the pin 10, or I don't know. I don't remember. But anyway, you have just to follow the chart, and then as you can see, we have now a complete layout connection. If you want to use the analog audio, just use the pin ground and left and right. Okay, guys?